place that I actually spent a month in. The atmosphere was chill, you could slack. And no one's front with the
ang ganda nung internal rhyme dun, men eh. The act, may rhyming, may internal rhyme dun, pre. Sa loob, the act, may internal rhyme, act, diba? Narinig mo dun sa unahan banda, act. Tapos sa huli, nagra-rhyme din. Ganun ka lupit, pre. Ganun ka. Ay, men, padaanan na itong Alright, so today papanoorin natin tong remix ni Master Easy Mel at ni Master Eminem na ang title ay Buried, kasi wala pa akong makita mga videos ni Master Easy Mel na bago ngayon, no? Or wala akong alam na mga lumang kanta niya na pwede nating panoorin, wala akong makita, pre. Master, kung nanonood ka ngayon, please comment mo kung anong gusto mo panoorin nating content about Master Easy Mel. Mapa music, MV o interview man yan, kahit anong about kay Master Easy Mel, pre, comment nyo lang sa baba kung anong gusto nyo mapanood natin. So let's start this. Buried, napakaangas nung cover photo dito, pre. Parang masabi mo talagang no, parang ito na yung collab nila, parang ganun ka lupit yung pagka-edit ng thumbnail dito. Alam mo yung parang yung under na siya kay Eminem sa record ni Eminem, tapos parang gumawa na sila ng kanta. Ganito yung yung parang vibe nung picture na to. Kaya padaanin muna natin yung punyeta na yan. Let's go. Alright, lupit ng flow, pre. Hey, ba't may babae?
The day came when we had to get our neurotic shots, stabilize all our systems, but man, it was too much. And the side effects on the wall, sip one was pox, but I didn't care, I knew I was in favor with the odds. A few days later, woken up on my bed, bro. Just got so sick that I was feeling hella dead, bro. Went to read, they can't believe it, what they said, though. That I was going home, they sending me to med, ho.
Oh, man. Slow. What the F, bro? Mapindot ang screen, punyeta. Merong kirot sa puso ko. Parang medyo kinikilig ako pag nagfo-flow si Master Easy Mel na mga ganito, mga chill type na flow. I like this type of flow, man. Para sa akin, ang ganda niyang pakinggan, eh. Alam mo yung chill siya, tapos kung may mensahe mo siya sasabihin, talagang klarong maririnig mo. Napaka-chill, napaka-vibey nung ganung flow, pre. Gustong gusto ko tong flow ni Master Easy dito, pre. Pero may multi pa rin sa huli, pre. Naririnig mo, napakaangas, pre.
Later woken up on my bed, bro. Just got so sick that I was feeling hella dead, bro. Went to read, they can't believe it, what they said, though. That I was going home, they sending me to med, ho. That was the place that I actually spent a month in. The atmosphere was chill, you could slack. And no one's fronting, but the thing that got to me was the fact they gave us privileges at the cost of cleaning the crap.
Parang narinig ko na to, parang napanood ko na to. The act, nakita mo yun, pre? Tagal na, pre, ha? Kala ko may dadang aeroplano, eh. Punyemas, eh, ha?
That I actually spent a month in. The atmosphere was chill, you could slack. And
oh, putik, pre. Ang ganda nung internal rhyme dun, men, eh. The act, may rhyming, may internal rhyme dun, pre. Sa loob, the act, may internal rhyme, act, diba? Narinig mo dun sa unahan banda, act. Tapos sa huli, nagra-rhyme din. Ganun ka lupit, pre. Ganun ka. Ay, men, padaanan na itong punyeta na to. Bali yung PayPal natin mga master, nasa channel link lang natin mga master. Maraming salamat po. Makakatulong kayo ng malupit. Yun na nga, internal rhyme pre sa bandang unahan ng linya bago mag-rhyme sa huli. Ganun kagandang rhyming, ganun dapat, men. Napakalupit.
They got to be was the fact. They gave us privileges at the cost of cleaning the crap out of the trains and then limit us to cut-offs and back. To confiscation like that. It straight up felt like we capped. The booster sergeant said for us who got some birthdays they passed. Like no one's business was happening. Into the shit like no cat. Can't understand it. But that's just the side of me that's really pissed and wants to hate it. The truth is I understood that my body couldn't take it. Maybe the brightest side is
ang haba ng rhyme scheme doon.
but to those who believe, I'm sorry yo, I didn't make it.
Oh, man. Oh, man, napakaangas nung ano ba to? Ito ba yung legit na chorus sa kanta ni Master Easy Mill na to? Kasi halos hindi mo na masabing remix to, parang ito na mismo yung kanta. Hintayin natin bago pumasok yung verse ni Master Eminem no kung talagang suabe yung pagka-edit. Pero so far napakaganda ng pagka-edit dito, pagka-remix, man. Napakalupit. Ang ganda nung sakay ni Master Easy Mill dito, tsaka yung chorus na babae. Napakasuabe, man. Let's go. Man, ang lupit. The fuck, bro? Hey.
Still on the loose day. Spotted me inside McDonald's Tuesday. In a Toronto Blue Jays cap, looking like your college roommate. With Rihanna, who pays Saddam Hussein, Bobby Boucher, or was it Kuche? The cops is on a goose chase. Just escape from the state pen.
Ayop na yan, pre. Ganon din, mas malala. May internal rhymes din sa una, tapos sa huli, pre. Identical goats, man. Identical goats. Identical twins ata. Parang na-reborn si Eminem, pre. Bilang isang mas bata at mas pogi ng konti. Konti lang naman. Pareho silang pogi, pre. Putik, pre. Kita mo naman yung resemblance nilang dalawa dito, man.
Sexual implications are continuing to get through. Insinuations are placed in little riddles and poems.
Man, ang ganda nung putik. Gusto ko yung hindi siya uniform ko mag-rhyme. Hindi siya parang, alam mo yung sukat na sukat yung saan siya mag-i-internal. Parang ganun, parang ano siya eh. Hindi siya uniform, man. Pero that's the beauty of it. Sadya ni Eminem na ganun siya. Ganun siya mag-rap, pre. Napakaangas, man. Tsaka mahirap yun. Imaginein mo kung paano mo susulatin yun kung ikaw. Sobrang bigat nun, sobrang hirap. Man, excited na talaga ako sa bago nilang lalabas na ano, pre. Dito sa beat na to, sa flow na to, tsaka sa music na to, dito lang mas gusto ko yung part ni Master Easy Mill dito, pre. Mas sumakay siya sa beat, mas sumakay siya sa flow. Mas bet ko yung pagkalapat ng editor dito sa beat na to para kay Master Easy Mill itong itong buried na to na pagka remix para sa kanya to. Hindi masyadong suabe yung yung part ni Eminem dito para sa beat na to lang. Pero suabe pa rin, pre. May shoutout pa, pre. What the F, man? That was that was awesome. What the F, bro? Kahit edit lang yung pre, parang potential siyang legit na track, no? Grabe, man, ang angas nun. Man. Mga master, sinasabi ko sa'yo, mag-comment kayo ng mga videos ni Master Easy Meal, pre. Nauubusan na ako, wala akong makita, men. Gusto ko manood, pre. Yung mga, kahit yung mga old, yung mga dating gusto nyo pa, i-comment nyo dito mga master. Gusto ko makita yan lahat. Yung mga natripan nyo talaga. Kahit ano pa yung about kay Master Easy Meal, comment nyo para mapanood natin. Because this has been amazing. Sino man hindi ma-excite, pre. Tsaka, congrats pala kay Master Easy Meal, pre. 3.5 million monthly stream ba sa Spotify o listener na sa Spotify, pre. Napakaangas, men. Tapos nasa top na siya ng madaming countries. Nung last lang nakita ko sa Riyadh. Basta, men, Easy Meal, Master Easy Meal is now global, pre. What the fuck, bro? Napakalupit. At shoutout pala, men. Namuntik kong makalimutan. Nasali na ako sa group chat ng ating malalapit na Easy Mealers, pre. Easy Meal Success Train. Shoutout kay Ma'am Elena, Master Elena, kay Master Bubbly Beng, kay Master Wena. Sino pa ba? Pre, shit, man. Sino ba yung nag-chat sa akin? Yung last, nakalimutan ko, pre. Fuck, bro. Pero, men, shoutout sa yung lahat dyan, mga master. Sorry, nakalimutan ko yung iba, men. Pero, what the fuck, bro. Thank you so much palagi, mga master, sa pagsuporta. Itong punyeta na to. The fuck, man. And thank you so much for donating sa mga master natin. If you wanna help the channel. Maayos sama, mga master. Ingat palagi. This has been Kurt's PH and you have been amazing.